we got the car and doing a little maintenance here for the race, and ended up finding out when you saw the video of everybody working on this. This might look different than a regular rig because it doesn't have the boot. You know, they kind of stick out a little bit. Anyway, what we come to find out is the spindle was only catching at the very top, so it was wiggling around in there, and then kind of tipping and beating on the and really stressing out the ball joint. So now it's nice and tight, and we tried to retaper it because that's pretty common. We sometimes have to retaper them depending on what it is, but we got another spindle, so we'll be good to go as far as that goes. And then Dad was taking it out of the trailer, and we had this guy out of the tail shaft of the Power Glide, and this is inside here, and it's where the yoke, you know, goes in there as a bushing, and it ended up coming out just like this. Not good. So anyway, we're gonna take a look at a couple things. Got it all fixed up and ready, and that might make it easier to continue with this hot rod.